Hi everyone! So now I have a little surprise for you. So in the last video we learned about where you can find each letter note on the keyboard or piano. Now I'm going to show you just a little bit, just the beginning, of how to understand sheet music and how you can find some of the notes on sheet music on the piano. The song over here is actually a Polish church song, one of my favorites. I'm going to try to bend it a little bit so it doesn't fall off. There we go, now it's straight. So we're going to find some of these notes on the piano. So first off, I'm going to show you something on the bottom that I think is very important right here. Remember ledger lines? Well, this ledger line here is middle C. Because if we remember, the first line on the bottom of our treble clef stairs is E, so if we go backwards, E, D, and then that line is C. So middle C on our keyboard is right here. And we would play it with our right hand, since we're in treble clef. But here in the bass clef, this is also middle C, right there. But we would play it with our left hand, like this. So this is where we know where middle C is, right? And knowing where middle C is, we can understand where all the other notes are above or below. So if this is C, what is this one? If you remember our sentence, every good boy deserves fudge, then every good, good, that means that's a G. So we know that middle C is over here. So now we have to find the G that's right above middle C. Okay, so let's try to find that. Okay, here's middle C. C, D, E, F, G. So that G that we were looking at right there is right here on the piano. Now from bass clef, if we are trying to find this one, for example, this note, so that's middle C. Now we go backwards, C, B, A, G, F, E. That's E if we do the counting way. But we can also remember our spaces line, our spaces cheat sheet sentence, which was all cows eat grass. All cows eat. So that's E. E below the middle C. So let's see. Let's try to find that. Here's middle C. And we have to find E below middle C. So E. Well, that's middle C. Oops. C, B, A, G, F, E. So that is the same E that we see over here. So we found two notes. We found middle C, but then we found two notes, one on the treble clef and one on the bass clef. So let's go on to the top and try to find two more notes. Okay, let's try that third note. If we remember what our spaces in the treble clef spell, they spell face. So the first space is F. So that's F. And it's above, if there was a letter line there, we'd know that it's middle C. So it's the F above middle C. C, D, E, F. So here we have our F. Good job. And don't worry if you don't understand it quite yet. It takes a lot of time and practice to learn and understand, so this is just the beginning. Now we're going to find, how about that one? That note right there. It's the last line on the top of the bass clef. So our sentence for our bass clef was Good boys deserve fudge always. Always, that's A. So if we know that middle C is up here on a ledger line, an invisible ledger line, we know that that A has to be below middle C. So we go to our middle C. We go backwards. C, B, A. There's our A. Good job, everyone. So there we go. That's just a little bit I wanted to show you to start off learning about music notes and sheet music and the piano. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope you liked it and enjoyed it and learned something new. Until next time, bye!